What is up, guys? It's Mike here, and today we got another mystery package straight from eBay. Alright, so basically I haven't made a video in like a week. I don't know, I say about a week or so. That's because I've been on vacation. We went down to Wildwood for about a week and a half, and it was totally awesome. And then when I got home, we got this bad boy right here. So I can't wait to see what this is. As you guys can tell, it's straight from eBay, but I think it does say the WestCoastToyMafia. So let's pull out our trusty scissors and see what this is. So the last unboxing video we were able to get was basically the Mix 5 trucks. And sadly, with me being on vacation, there is no Walmarts, no Targets, nothing around that area. So like, I haven't been really able to do anything. But yeah, so let's see what this is. I think last time we got a Kings of Crunch truck. This looks like a decent amount here. So let's just dump this right over. So basically, here we go. I'm pretty sure it's the same guy. Can't really remember, but let's see what we get. And now, if there are any double trucks in this, that's actually pretty good because, as you guys do know, I do save at least one truck and I don't open it. So once I open this here or pull this up, we got a couple of them. Ooh. Alright, so that's going to be it in the box. Just make sure, yep. Alright, so let's see what these are here. We got 1, 2, alright. Alright, here's the first truck. Gravedigger Legend. Dude, that looks sick. Alright, that's going to be the first one. As you guys can tell, there are 4 trucks here. And I'm just going to go with the one in the back here that is apparently just out of all the packaging. Higher Education. Actually, you know, I really like the way this truck looks. Wow. This is like one of those trucks where you don't think it's going to look really that cool, but it actually looks pretty cool. I like the stop sign on that too. This damage, there's a little damage on the corner, but that's fine. Alright, so now we got 2 trucks left. So basically, before I left on vacation, I said send me 4 more random, I think I said don't make it doubles, but it's alright, it's cool if they are. So this one, let's take a look. Oh, dude, that's a Stinger one, yeah. Wow. This one is going for quite a bit on eBay right now, which is pretty cool. I've seen this one up at $25 now. Mind you guys, I just got back from vacation. Prices probably changed humongously, and I haven't really seen it. But that's pretty sick right there. Alright, and the very last truck in this mystery package will be the Dragon. Overcast Dragon, alright. Not too bad. Not too bad. Overcast Dragon actually looks really cool. Wow, I love the gray on that. I don't know if you guys can see it on this awesome iPhone camera. But that's pretty good. So we come back from vacation, we get 4 brand new trucks, 4 trucks we did not have. Gravedigger the Legend, Stinger, Higher Education. Not a bad video, or not a bad package actually. West Coast Toy Mafia. If you guys have the money on eBay, very fair on the pricing. As you see, I basically got my entire Mix 5 from those guys or that guy. And basically the only trucks I'm currently missing, actually let's take a look here. The trucks we are currently missing are Blue Thunder and of course the Chase Piece Gravedigger. So I'm only missing 2 trucks here from the Mix 5 collection, and that's not bad at all. So if you guys have the money, or if you guys are good on eBay or whatever, if you can snipe them on eBay, good luck to you. But yeah, he doesn't charge that much, and very well good, and well, I mean, I'm not gonna really argue about that because the ones that I like, I open them anyway. But for the most part, highly recommended. As you guys see, these trucks are in like basically perfect condition, and yeah, we're slowly getting there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know I haven't made any, but a lot of videos are going to be coming out this week here, as I basically have a ton of trucks to do reviews, and the racing series is taking shape now that we're back from vacation and everything, and I can focus on that a little more. So stay tuned for that, and guys, I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the unboxing. This is kind of a quick one. I just wanted to get this one done because I basically got this a couple days ago. So yeah, been on vacation, but yeah guys, give the video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video very soon.